Today I wanted to show you guys how I go about doing my makeup on days where I want to wear makeup but I don't feel like doing a whole lot of stuff. I just want it to look natural but pretty. I've got Pepper here on my lap. I don't know how long she's gonna stay. She'll actually sit in my lap for a while when I'm doing my makeup, but Salem won't. I think today I'm gonna actually use my Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. This is just one of my favorite primers to use when, you know, because I've been running errands and stuff earlier, so I put, you know, some sunscreen and lotion on earlier, but now that my skin's a little dry, I like to go in with this and use it to prime my face before I do my foundations. My foundation. I think I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow because I love this for like a dewy skin foundation. And I'm going in with my dampened L'Oreal makeup sponge. I bought a new one of these the other day, like I was showing you guys in that date night makeup tutorial. Because my Flower Beauty sponge finally bit the dust. It was just getting too worn out and stained. After you wash makeup sponges a bunch of times, they just start to kind of tear and fall apart. So that one, it had a good run. I probably had that sponge for a good 2 months. Maybe 3. I don't even remember when I bought that. I've had it for a little while. And then I'm just gonna use the pointed side to blend the foundation here on my nose. I picked up a new Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer in Ivory. I had one of these in my freelance makeup kit, and the last time I did a makeup event, I lost it. I don't know. I guess I must have left it there. So I picked up a new one because this is my favorite drugstore concealer. I can't even get the thing open. It's like my hands are all slippery from that primer. There we go. Okay, and then I'm just gonna set this foundation with my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable, if I can get it out of my little drawer over here. And I'm gonna use my e.l.f. HD Under Eye Setting Powder to set my under eye concealer. And I know I've mentioned this before, but if any of you guys ever have questions as to like what I used on my face, I have everything listed down below that I use, even like my makeup tools, like my makeup brushes and sponges and all that sort of thing. And I also have links to everything. Most of the links down there are affiliate links. So if you do purchase anything through those links, I do get a little bit of commission from it, but it's not much at all. But yeah, those links are down there if, you know, you guys need help finding something or if you can't remember what I used. And then I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face, and I think I'm gonna use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer today to switch it up. And I'm using my Real Techniques not blush brush, powder brush. I'm going to contour a little bit with my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It in the shade Light. And it hasn't been my birthday yet. I know it's been forever since I posted that one Get Ready With Me where I was talking about it being my birthday, like on Thursday. And this is this is Tuesday of the week of my birthday. So I've just filmed a lot of Get Ready With Me's. Like every day this weekend I have filmed a Get Ready With Me. Like I filmed one on Saturday, on Sunday, on Monday, and now this is Tuesday. So I've just been on a roll with filming makeup, you know, tutorials and Get Ready With Me videos. Oops, I hope I just didn't get bronzer on my shirt. I really shouldn't wear white, even though I like to wear white, because I'm such a messy and like clumsy person that I'm surprised that this isn't like completely covered in makeup. Then voila, brows done, and I'll list down below what I used on my brows today. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on with this super simple eyeshadow look, and Even though it is super simple, it looks really nice and looks like you spent a little bit of time on your eyeshadow when you really didn't. So first, I'm going in with my Maybelline Color Tattoo in Bad to the Bronze. And my brush I usually use to put it on is, of course, dirty. So I think I'm going to use this brush today. Hopefully this works out all right. This is the Sigma Precision P86 brush. I usually use the P82, but I did not wash my makeup brushes last night. So I'm just putting that on my lid and taking it up into the crease. And I actually like this brush to apply this. I like the fact that it's like pointed there, so it fits like in the crease really nice, and you can kind of work it in the outer V a little bit. So maybe this will be my new brush that I use with this. See, sometimes it's good when you have dirty makeup brushes. It makes you use other ones that you wouldn't normally use. And then just working this out here a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go back and add just a little more of this on the lid. I am going to go in with my Wet n Wild concealer brush, and I'm just gonna smudge a little bit of this Bad to the Bronze Color Tattoo here on the lower lash line. This adds a little bit more dimension, and it also sets that color tattoo, though I find that that color tattoo lasts pretty good by itself, but I don't know, I just like to ensure it's definitely not going anywhere. But I'm just using my Wet n Wild single eyeshadow in the shade Nutty. It's basically the same color as this Maybelline Color Tattoo. And I'm just putting that on a blending brush. And I'm just blending that on top of the color tattoo and also taking that into the crease. Just putting it, you know, everywhere where I put the color tattoo. And then I'm going to take just a little bit more of this Wet n Wild eyeshadow and run it here on the lower lash line. If you wanted to jazz this up a little more, you could add a darker color in the outer V and also do liquid liner. But I'm not going to do all that today. I'm just going to put some mascara on, and I'm just using my Maybelline Lash Sensational. Okay, so I'm not for sure where this thing stopped filming, but hopefully it didn't stop too far in. I used my Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Exposed and my Essence Pure Nude highlighter for my highlights. And then for my lips, I used a combination of the CoverGirl Queen Collection Major Shade in Insider, and I topped that with the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream in Barely Blush. So I am so sorry about that. I hope that you guys did enjoy this Get Ready With Me. And I hope that you all have a great day, and I will see you all in my next one. And my friend Brittany's calling me. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.